Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular video, I am going to talk about cutoff revision, the current update. So regarding cutoff revision, so many things to discuss, and there are plenty of things happen today, and there are many questions, queries, and regular calls from same candidate at regular interval. I keep on receiving. The question remains same: when is going to happen, and by what it will get revised for general category and reserve category. Okay, will they revise it or not? Will it happen or not? Why they are delaying it? How much for non-clinical? Will it happen for clinical or only for non-clinical? So there are many questions. Okay, so I'm going to cover all these questions in this video. Before that, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it. You can join the Telegram group from the description of the video, and you can get some kind of updates from there about all the activities happening. If you're new to NEET PG and just started getting some attention about the current activities. So today, as I had mentioned in one of the status I put on WhatsApp, I mentioned 3-4 days back, okay, that one PIL is put by some state petitioners, and that will be discussed on 3rd. Okay, but they discussed on the schedule the date on 4th as on today, and the discussion happened, okay, on that PIL. And the screenshot that you are having on the screen, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud says that let the petitioner approach the authorities and let them take a sympathetic view, because the petitioner are those who are expecting the higher cutoff revision, requesting for higher cutoff revision. The statement that come from advocate Bhushan, they are likely to remove cutoff, means the authorities are likely to remove the cutoff for non-clinical subject. It means, let's try to understand this statement. The authorities are planning to remove the cutoff for non-clinical subject. In case anybody who is not qualified, having 20 marks also, or has just attended the examination, they are eligible to attend the counseling process for getting non-clinical seats. So what about clinical seats? And keep it for clinical seats. It doesn't mean that the cutoff won't get revised for clinical seats. It will get revised. The statement never said, or if you try to interpret the statement, it doesn't say that cutoff revision won't happen for clinical. Okay, it will happen for clinical subjects, but they will keep a cap or a cutoff revision or qualifying marks which is lower than 302 or 265 for reserve candidates. But there will be a cutoff for reserve candidates and general candidates in order to get seat in clinical branches, but there won't be any cutoff for non-clinical seats. So ultimately their plan is good. Okay, they want to fill all the non-clinical seats so that everybody gets opportunity to get non-clinical seat. There are many doctors who have this MBBS degree or diploma degree, and they have been practicing they are in private practice, or they are working as medical officers from a long time, and they do not have sufficient time to study the syllabus and all things. Okay, because they are busy with schedule, they are serving country. They have served in during COVID times also. There are doctors who have completed their MBBS from top institutions like AIMS and JIPMER, Delhi government colleges, but they are not able to crack NEET PG because they don't have time. They just attend the examination, but they are very meritorious candidates in their times. Okay, so they should have also given chance to appear for the counseling process in order to get non-clinical seats. So those non-clinical seats can be filled only in such a way that everybody is allowed. Okay, and those who want to go for promotion or want to go for teaching faculty positions, they should be given opportunity to fill all the non-clinical subjects, because as NMC is increasing the number of seats in PG colleges, new MBBS colleges are getting opened, and after 5 years PG course will come into picture in those colleges. So definitely there is a high demand for good faculties, and so in order to create good faculties, you should give opportunity to everyone to go for non-clinical subjects. then only we can assure that minimal number of non-clinical subjects will be remaining vacant after by end of the counseling process. Thus, that's very great move, but at the same time they should reduce the cutoff for clinical subjects so that the clinical subjects should not remain vacant. There are colleges where the tuition fee is very high for the top clinical subjects like radio and dermatology, general medicine, pediatrics, ortho, such branches. So those top clinical subjects should not remain vacant due to high tuition fee. So they should allow a big group of people who are having paying capacity but couldn't qualify. Okay, so definitely the cut-off revision will happen, but somehow they are waiting for some more inputs. I can't tell you, but I'm assuming that they are waiting for the state result to come. All the state results, most of the state results have been declared. Like today, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, and all such states declared the results. So the authority is waiting for the state result, and they can count all India seats. Matrix is already declared 6,266, and they will count all the state level seat availability, and based on that they will do the cut-off revision so that their calculation is more proper. Okay, so cut-off revision will definitely happen. And now Supreme Court is saying that we can ask them to consider your representation. Now let's come to other discussion. If the cutoff is not reduced, then seat will remain vacant. There is a judicial precedent for this. Supreme Court says list after 10 days, and let us see what the authorities decide. So they have given 10 days of time, and then again they will hear the matter. 10 days of time, I personally believe, is so long time at the current juncture when the registration is already going on for MOPOP round. The seat matrix published. The last date to email the documents for NRI conversion is already over. So 10 days of time is too long, but it's the statement given by Supreme Court. They want this case to be listed after 10 days, and before 10 days the authorities will definitely declare the cutoff based on their all inputs. I don't know for what factor they are waiting on, but this is the first time so much of time we have to wait. Otherwise previous few years they revised the cutoff as soon as the result declared for second round and the reporting happened. The advocate says, please let them take a call on let them take a call on our and federation representation. So maximum 10 days as per the hearing happened in the Supreme Court. Okay, but before 10 days, I won't say 10 days, in few days or today also, at any moment you can expect the cut-off revision to happen, and their final decision about the non-clinical and clinical subject, by what margin they are gonna reduce. I'll tell you, there are other representatives who have requested the cut-off revision to go down by higher margin. So in due time, since it's getting delayed, they will be able to consider, the authorities will be able to consider all the requests, so that all your inputs, and I have requested you to put tweet the demands and all what you are looking for, and mail them NB, NMC, Health Ministry, PMO, and all the authorities about your demand about the cut-off revision. You can tell all the regions. I have explained what are the regions you can mention in the previous videos. Okay, so any moment you can expect the cut-off revision to happen, and as per the hearing and their authorities' intention, they want not to keep any kind of cutoff for non-clinical, but definitely they will keep some cutoff for clinical subject, but it will get definitely revised. They never said that it won't get revised. So with this, I'm going to conclude this video, and if you have any kind of your views, particular on this matter, you can comment us in the comment section of the videos, and you can reach us for the paid counseling guidance. So thanks for watching and have a great day.